CBR650 name is somewhat confusing because it is actually based on a 650cc power plant.
C that drives the CGR and CBR. The number 4 in the title, of course, is due to the fact that the engine is an inline 4. In this form, the engine produces till the 94 horsepower at RPM. This bike looks like it will have a little more versatile flavor, so I wouldn't be surprised if the engine gets upset so riders don't have to break nuts to get the best from this. The lowest setting will also help reduce peak torque, currently 64 EICMA, compared to 8500 RPM, which is rarely used on daily commutes.